What's up, guys? Wow, it's my first time live on IG. Thank you to the 3,000 viewers. Tito Mike!
May duo, pare.
Tito Mike! That's my duo, pare! That's my duo, pare!
Oh
Come
my God.
on!
I miss you,
Bro, I
Reels.
miss you, brother. Grabe,
Team Millie,
bro.
baby.
Grabe yung support na ng taong bayan.
I
Grabe.
know.
Ang lala. I love
I love you
I
guys.
love Team Millie. Team Millie is the best. Bro, 12,000 viewers
Team
na tayo. I
Millie.
think this is the most I've ever received in my life.
Same.
Bro,
My whole life.
bro, I have more than 10 fans, bro. What?
I'm so proud of
Bro,
you,
this is
Reels.
crazy.
I'm so proud of you, bro.
Bro, paano yun? Bro, how is this possible? I can't believe it. How did we do
Guys, continue
this?
supporting Emilio. He's an amazing guy.
Wow! Guys, keep supporting Michael. Sobrang gwapo niya. Ang galing niya pang magsalita. Sobrang tangkad. Grabe yung mga dimples niya. Tapos yung hair niya, slick back pa, di ba?
Bro, yung For You page ko,
Grabe,
mga slow-mo
grabe,
moments
grabe
ni Emilio
talaga.
Daes.
Anong ganyan ka? What's your ulam, pare? What's your ulam, pare?
Oh, I'm eating out with my family.
Hi, tita. Oh, hello, Hi, hi. Hello. Hello po. Ay,
Sorry
sorry
po.
po. I'm so sorry. Sorry po. Sorry po. Ba? Hindi mo sinasabi na sa labas ka pa. Nakakaya naman sa pamilya
Dude, I
pa.
had to join you, bro.
Nakakaya
I'm
naman.
too clingy.
Yan ko.
You're going to my sister's wedding,
Yes. Hi, ate. I'm excited to be at your wedding. I will be the best guest ever. I'm really honored. I'm so happy to be part of this special day. It's honestly gonna be a special day for me too. Like really, super special.
What are
Bro,
you eating,
kumakain
bro?
fried rice. Of course, rice.
Ah.
And ampalaya. The joke.
Hi, guys.
Bro,
Team Millie. I love you, Team
grabe,
Millie.
15,000 viewers na tayo, Pops. Wild.
Invite Joanne and
Oh,
Stacy.
oh, Josie? You
Josie
mean,
and me.
you mean the Emilio and Michael of Beanie? You want me to invite them? Oh, ay, bro,
Welcome
bro.
to the outside world. Thank
Bro,
you, guys.
2, 3, mabuhay. 2, 3, mabuhay. I am Beanie Emilio.
I'm Beanie Michael. And we're Team Millie.
And thank you so much for coming to our concert sa Beanieverse World Tour. Grabe, sobrang thankful ko na nakapag-perform ako sa Araneta. Ay, di pala tayo yun, Mike. Di pala tayo.
Iba yun, iba yun, iba yun.
Iba yan, sorry. Sorry, nalito ako eh. Nalito ako. Kala ko tayo yun. Grabe, bro. Grabe
Grabe.
yung pagmamahal ng mga tao sa labas.
Yeah, grabe.
Kita tayo mamaya, di ba, Tito Mike?
Yes, Emilio. I'll see you
May
very soon, brother.
may secret meeting ata kami ni Tito Mike mamaya.
Someone said, you really wore the beanie shirts, of course.
Of course. Siyempre, matching kami. Pinag-usapan namin yun. Pero, akala talaga natin, Tito Mike, makakabalik tayo eh, no?
Yep.
Hindi nga ako nagbabay eh. Confident na confident talaga ako, guys. Sabi ko, hindi na ako magbabay. Pag-aapak na eviction room, sabi ko, wala na to. Wala na. Patay na tayo.
Emilio, I just wanted to say hi, enjoying your life for a bit, but I don't want to disturb you na.
Yeah, bro.
I'll see you soon,
I'll see you,
brother.
brother. Bye-bye.
Yeah, to all the Team Millie guys, I love you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you so much.
See you, Tito Mike. Love you, bro.
Heart, 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 heart.
See you, Tito Mike.
Love you, bro.
Bye. Love
See
you,
you soon,
bro.
see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.